Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Chrysler Pacifica windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and any basic tools you might need, like a small flathead screwdriver. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stays up. Locate the small release tab or button on the old blade. Carefully slide the old blade off the wiper arm hook. This initial step is crucial for a smooth replacement process. To remove the old blade, you'll typically find a small locking tab where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab up or down to disengage it. Then, slide the old blade down the arm and off the J-hook. It's very important to hold the wiper arm firmly as you remove the blade, so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit your windshield, which could cause damage. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. After installation, it's a good idea to test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and use the windshield washer fluid to check for smooth, streak-free operation. For optimal visibility, consider replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. Many Chrysler Pacifica models use a 26-inch blade on the driver's side and a 20-inch blade on the passenger's side.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.